You just learned about the Netherlands high-skilled migrant visa, 2 to 4 weeks processing, no Dutch language requirements. Sounds like the opportunity of a lifetime, right? But here's the catch. You need an employer to sponsor you. And right now, you might be sitting there thinking, where do I even start looking? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to look and where to find Netherlands sponsorship jobs, step by step, using the official IND sponsor register, LinkedIn, and the platform most people never check. And yes, this includes exact search terms that bring up jobs with visa sponsorship. Let's get started. If you are new here, please subscribe now. I share verified opportunity to work and study abroad every single week. Here is what most people don't understand about the Netherlands job market. There are over 12,000 companies officially recognized by the IND as sponsors. These companies can legally hire you from abroad and handle your entire visa process. But most international job seekers never find them because they are searching in a wrong place. Generic job boards, random LinkedIn applications, no strategy. Here is the hard truth. If you apply to a company that is not on IND recognized sponsor list, they cannot sponsor you. It does not matter how qualified you are. It does not matter how much they like you. If they are not on that list, the IND will not process your application. So the entire game is finding the right companies. Companies that are on the list and hiring right now. Let me show you exactly how to do that. Step 1. Open the IND Public Register of Recognized Sponsors. The website is ind.nl. I'll put the direct link in the description. Once you are here, scroll down. You will see 4 categories: work, exchange, study, and research. Click on work. What you are looking for right now is every single company in the Netherlands that can sponsor a highly skilled migrant visa. This is not a quest. This is the official government register, updated once in a month. So if a company is on the list, they are fully authorized to bring you to Netherlands. Now, here is what I want you to do. Download this list on the work page. You can export it. It gives you the company name, their location, and when they were recognized as a sponsor. Open it in a spreadsheet, Google Sheet, Excel, whatever you use. Now, filter by city: Amsterdam, Rotterdam, Utrecht. These are where most international hiring happens. Then, start Googling each company name plus the word careers or vacancy. Let me give you some names to start with. ASML, one of Europe's most valuable tech companies, headquartered in Eindhoven. Booking.com, based in Amsterdam, hires international talent constantly. ADN, Philips, Shell, ING, Rabobank, all recognized sponsors, all hiring regularly. These companies have entire international recruitment team who understand the high-skilled migrant process inside and out. But here's the limitation of the INT list. It tells you which companies can sponsor you. It does not tell you which one is hiring right now. For that, you need strategy 2. LinkedIn is your most powerful tool for finding sponsorship jobs, but only if you know how to filter it the right way. First, set your location to the Netherlands. That's obvious. Now, here is what most people get wrong. They type a job title and hit search. Software engineer, data analysis, project manager, and they get thousands of results. Most of them from companies that does not sponsor visas. Here is what you should type instead: your job title plus keyword that signals sponsorship. Type this exactly. Your role, for example, software engineer, followed by, and in capital letter, the one of these phrases in quotes, visa sponsorship, or relocation support, or highly skilled migrant. Let me show you. I'm going to search software engineer and visa sponsorship. Location, set it to Netherlands. Look at this. These are companies actively looking for international candidates. They are telling you in the job description they will provide visa support. Now, here is the most important step. Before you apply to any of these jobs, go back to your IND spreadsheet. Cross-reference the company name. Is this employer on the recognized sponsored list? If yes, apply. If no, skip it, even if the job says visa sponsorship. In the description, some companies write that open, they will figure it out later. You cannot afford to waste weeks on an application that goes nowhere because the company is not even authorized to sponsor. I will say it again because it is very, very important. Cross-reference every single jobs against the IND list. No exceptions. Now, set up alerts. Same search terms, same location. LinkedIn will email you new openings every day. This is how you apply in the first 24 to 48 hours before the job has 300 applications. One more lingering strategy: follow the companies on the IND list, not just the famous names. Mid-sized company too. When they post a job, you see it immediately. Comment on their posts. Engage. By the time you apply, you are not a stranger. You are someone who's been showing genuine interest. Platform design for international hiring. Number 1, EURES. This is the European Union's official job portal, completely free. Go to ec.europa.eu/EURES. Filter by country, Netherlands. Look for jobs tagged with relocation assistance. Many EURES listings explicitly mention visa sponsorship for non-EU applicants. And because it is an EU platform, the company posting here expect international applicants. Number 2, Glassdoor, Netherlands. Now, don't search by job title here. Search by company name. Look up the IND recognized company one by one. Read what current and former employees say. Filter for review for international employees. This will tell you how the company handled their visa process, whether HR was helpful, what the relocation support looks like. This is insider information you cannot get from the company's own website. Number 3, Undutchables. This is a recruitment agency based in Netherlands that specifically place international candidates in Dutch companies. They know the sponsorship process inside out. Create a profile on their profile, upload your CV, and they will match you with employers who are actively sponsoring. And here is a bonus nobody talks about. Go to LinkedIn and search for people from your country who already work in the Netherlands. Same nationality, same field. Look at their career history. What company hired them? That company has already hired someone with your background, which means they understand your market and they are willing to sponsor. Reach out to that person, send a short message, ask how their experience was. Most people are genuinely happy to help. Before you apply anywhere, verify 3 things. This takes 60 seconds and saves you months of wasted effort. 1, is the company on the IND recognized sponsor list? You already know where to check. 2, does the job description specifically mention relocation or visa support? If it does not, ask in your first message. Be professional but direct. 3, Does the salary meet the high skill migrant minimum in 2026? That's approximately €5,331 per month if you are 30 or older, or €3,909 if you are under 30. If the salary is below that threshold, the ING will reject your application, no matter how good the job is. If all the three check out, apply immediately. These jobs get filled within days, not weeks. Now, I know this is a lot of information, so I have put together a free resource pack for you. It has the IND recognized sponsor list, already filtered and organized, plus a linked list search template that gets response. Drop Netherlands job search in the comments. I will send you the full package for free. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's trying to move to Netherlands. Don't give up your dreams. Keep chasing that dream. I will see you in the next video.